SSD upgrade, and deep cleaning on HP Pavilion all in one PC. Thank you to Ma'am Hazel for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Upgrading the SSD and performing a deep cleaning on an HP Pavilion all-in-one PC is a highly beneficial decision, as it significantly improves system performance, enhances efficiency, and extends the lifespan of the device. Replacing an HDD with an SSD or upgrading to a faster and larger SSD results in faster boot times, quicker application loading, improved multitasking capabilities, and overall system responsiveness, making everyday computing smoother and more efficient. Deep cleaning is equally essential, as dust accumulation inside the all-in-one PC can obstruct airflow, leading to overheating, thermal throttling, and reduced system stability. By removing built-up dust from cooling fans, heat sinks, and internal components, deep cleaning helps maintain proper airflow, prevent unexpected shutdowns, and ensure quieter operation. By combining an SSD upgrade with deep cleaning, the HP Pavilion all-in-one PC can achieve better performance, enhanced cooling efficiency, and long-term stability, making this upgrade a smart and practical choice for improving both speed and durability. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop and PC repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. SSD upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.